Hello again and welcome to today's video. If the text on your iPhone feels just a little bit too small for you, you're not alone. So in this video, I'm going to basically show you how to make your text bigger. You won't break anything on your phone and you can always change it back afterwards. Okay, so small text can be tiring to read. Making it larger can actually reduce your eye strain and make everyday use much more comfortable. This works on messages, emails, settings, and most of your apps. So first you're going to open your settings app, going to scroll down, tap display and brightness. Now tap text size, use the slider at the bottom. You're going to slide it to the right to make the text larger. You'll see the text change as you move it. Now this is an optional extra, no pressure if you don't want to do it, so don't worry. If you want the text even larger, you're going to go back to the display and brightness, tap display zoom, choose larger text, then tap set. Again, if you don't like it, you can change it back at any time. And that's all there is to it basically. So small changes like this can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple iPhone tips. Please be sure to enable your notifications so you'll know when the next tip is out. I'll see you in the next video.